In this video, I'll show you how to hide last seen on Telegram. So if you don't want anyone to know that you're currently using the app, then this is how you hide it. In the top left, press on the three horizontal lines, and then come down and press on settings. From here, you want to scroll down to your settings, and then choose the second option that says privacy and security. Scroll down again, and you'll see last seen and online. Tap that. So right now it's set to everybody, which means everyone can see that I'm currently online. So to hide it, you simply press nobody, and then in the top right you press the tick to confirm, and then press OK. And that's how to hide last seen on Telegram. Thank you for watching.